Let's see how we can solve this past question. Here is question 12, like June 2023, past question. And the question say, one thought the sum of two numbers is 12. Twice their difference is 12. Find numbers. So how can we find the numbers? Yeah. So the first thing that need to come to your mind is that we can't use something to represent the numbers because it's unknown to us, but we are asked to find the value of it, right? We have solution, right? Now let the two numbers be x and y, right? Now you see, one third the sum of two numbers is 12. One third of it, one third of x and y. So which is it to be equal to this? That is one third of x and y. And they say the sum of two numbers. There's the sum, the two numbers, we say let it to be x and y. So their sum now, which is x plus y. Right? That is the sum. That's what the question is here. The sum of two numbers is this 12. But you say one third the sum of two numbers. So now we have 1 over 3, right? Multiplying by x plus y, right? So and a result is equal to 12, right? Now let's come to the second sentence here. We see that twice their difference is 12. Now, twice their difference is what? Their difference, which is x now, will be minus y, right? And twice of it, which is equal to 12. That's why I see 2 into bracket x minus y. And everything is equal to 12, right? Now, let's see it here that here, 2, we have 1 over 3 into bracket x plus y equal to 12. That is the first statement, the first sentence, right, which is this. And let's multiply both sides by 3, right, for us to cancel this 3. That is what we can do. Multiply the left hand side by 3 and multiply the right hand side by 3, right? Now it should be equal to this, right? Because this 3 will cancel out, right? Now it should equal to x plus y equal to 36. 12 times 3 is 26, 36. We can call that equation 1, right? Let's do the question, the second one. They are twice their difference now, which is the second sentence now. So it should equal to this, right? Now we can see that here, what can we do? We can what? Divide both sides by 2, right? For us to eliminate out this 2, right? Now, which is equal to this, because 12 divided by 2 to give you 6, right? We call that equation 2, right? Now, we can bring two equations together and solve them simultaneously using the elimination method, right? Now, we bring the two equations together right now. Now, let's apply the elimination method, right? By applying the elimination method, you will see that we had equation 1 and equation 2. If you had equation 1 and 2, what we mean by using elimination method is, right, we need to eliminate out. We have 2 unknown here, right? So we are trying to eliminate out one of unknown, which is either to be x or it could be y, any one. Now, but if we add the two equations, then we are going to eliminate out y, right? Now, let's add the two together. We have x plus x, that is 2x. When we add this, it will be eliminate out, cancel out. Now, 36 plus 6, that will be equal to 42. right? Now we can divide both sides by 2, right? So it should be equal to this, which is x will be equal to 42 divided by 2, because these 2 will cancel out, and x will be equal to 21, right? 42 divided by 2 is 21, right? Now we got the value of x here, so let's substitute the value of x into equation 2. You can use any of this equation, but I will use equation 2, and this is equation 2 here, x minus y equal to 6, right? Let's substitute x into this equation here, so which is we have 21 minus y equals 6, right? Now we see, if we collect the like terms, right, we see that 21, this 6 will come to the left hand side of equality, become a negative, right? And y minus y will take to the right of the equality, become a positive, right? Now we see y equal to 15, because 21 minus 6 is we equal to 15. Now we see the right options for us. We have 21 as x and y as 15. So which one is the right options for us to choose among these options here? We see the option A is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Keep on watching. Thank you. Bye bye.